Hello. Welcome to this PIPEX tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can download, install and register PIPEXfreeware on your PC. For downloading the installation medium file, start the internet browser and choose our homepage. Click on the language select item to display the English version. Click on Freeware Download to open the Download Center. Select an entry from the file list and click on it to start the download procedure. Save the file either in the default download path or select another path depending on the settings of the used browser type. Open the download path and double-click on the installation archive file. If the archive is opened, double-click on the file to start the installation. Depending on the local security settings, click on the corresponding items to start the installation. Accept the license agreement and click on Next. Change or accept the installation path and click on Next. Choose additional shortcuts and confirm with a click on Next. Now start the installation with a click on Install. The bar shows the current progress of installation. Leave the installation with a click on Finish. Start PIPEXfreeware registration by clicking on the new desktop icon. Select the corresponding item and click on Run. Fill in your address data and confirm with a click on OK. Please note, at this point you should have internet connection. Now wait about 10 minutes for the answer mail. Please note that only the first license file contains a license for PIPEX basic features like movie and image import. After receiving the register mail, open these mail and save the attached license file on a separate folder. Change back to the register dialog. Select the lower item and click on Run. Look for the downloaded license file in your Explorer and double-click on it. The registration is now finished. Click on Exit to leave. Now you can start the full version of PIPEXfreeware by clicking on the PIPEX desktop icon. For further information, visit our homepage. In several video tutorials we show you the basics to work with PIPEX. Thanks for watching. Please also note the other training films. Subscribe to our channel and receive a notification when there are new tutorials.